Hi te, it's Ace. Ang ganda ng view, but yate. Hi te, it's Ace. Welcome back to another video te. And for today's video, as one of the most requested topic te is how to really have a self-love. We need to appreciate the background. As you can see te, yes. As a very hardworking peeps talaga te, yes. Vacation. At the same time, parang nag-shoot ng podcast. Yes te, this view is really giving folklore vibe by Taylor Swift. But you know what te, let's get right into it te. First and foremost, I need to explain kung ano ba talaga yung self-love. Ang dami kasing explanation te. Para bang naguguluhan na tayo kung ano talaga yung self-love. My case that self-love is about knowing yourself. Self-love is about self-awareness. Self-love is about enjoying your own company without other people's presence. A lot of things di rin talaga natin alam if may self-love na ba tayo or wala te. For today's video, sasabihin ko kung ano yung mga signs and kung ano yung mga best practices na pwede mong gawin te to have self-love. Personally te, I do believe that self-love is the highest form of love te. Because when you love yourself te, hindi lang te yung good side ha, but also bad side. Like every part of you is gusto mo yon, you love it. Like you can face your own shadows, you can face your own fears. At the same time, you understand yourself every time na parang meron kang hindi gusto. Example te, in my case, before te nung hindi pa ako nagiging influencer te, I feel envious sa mga taong marami ng views, likes, and subscribers te. Like talagang well put out na. But if wala kang self-love te, parang nakikita mo yun as something na sana kumonting followers niya, sana kumonting subscribers niya, sana ma-cancel siya. Parang yung insecurity mo te is hindi mo fini-face, binabato mo sa ibang tao knowing te that you need to face it because it is personal. On the other hand naman te, if meron kang self-love, instead of seeing nakalaban mo yung isang tao, maybe nagkakaroon ka ng self-reflection te na maybe you want something that they have. Instead of bashing those people te, in my case yung mga influencer te na well put out na, iisipin kong I want their hard work, I want their discipline, I want their everyday routine na kaya nilang pagsabayin lahat ng bagay while doing the same thing. So in my case, here are the things that I did to have self-love. First and foremost talaga te, you need to face your own shadow. I do believe that kahit gaano mo isuppress yung isang bagay, yung nafe-feel mo te, if hindi mo yan mismo finesse, if hindi mo in-acknowledge or hindi ka nagkaroon ng self-reflection and self-talk te sa mga bagay-bagay na gusto mo munang maalis, the negative energy, the envious feeling, the insecurities te, is it will always come out if ever na you feel better. Yes te, maybe nag-hangout ka sa mga friends mo, you feel down, nag-hangout ka. Yes, maybe yung presence ng ibang tao te is natapalan yung feeling down era mo te. But after nung hangout na yun te, is babalik at babalik pa rin yung feeling na ganon. When you face your own shadows te, parang you have this stability and deep knowing te na it's okay for you to feel that shit, it's okay for you to feel down kasi you are just human and you love yourself with those ups and downs. Another thing you need to do te is spend time alone. Like as you can see diba, I'm just traveling alone te, ako lang mag-isa. I know it's really embarrassing to feel in public te, but I do not care because I really love myself and I don't care if I don't like them. It's really okay. Ang cute! Let's take a sip muna te, like. But let's go back to you need to spend time alone te. I know it's so cringy, hindi ka sanay te na mag-spend time alone. But simulan mo lang te paunti-unti. Like maybe pupunta ka sa restaurant or sa cafe te. Favorite cafe mo nang ikaw lang mag-isa. Maybe te go to cinemas alone or mag-karaoke ka te nang ikaw lang mag-isa. Sometimes talaga te, if hindi ka sanay to spend your time with your own energy, is nai-impluwensyahan yun ng ibang tao. I can still remember te nung hindi pa ako nagiging influencer talaga. Maraming mga doubts and maraming mga opinions yung other friends ko te. And yes, meron talaga mga bad influences te and something te na we cannot control kasi yun yung opinion nila te, yun yung point of view nila and maybe they just care about you and feel nila yun yung best decision. But that's why te, you really need to spend your time alone te to really know yourself and to really know kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. Kasi regardless of all the external factors, kung ano mo yung sabihin nila na it is something na it's not good for you te, since you have that deep self-knowing te and you really know yourself, you're open with constructive criticism at the same time you know what you really want to do. Another thing you need to realize te, that your goals, your happiness te, is personal. It's not the responsibility of other people te, to make yourself feel good. Yes te, it's your responsibility to raise your vibration, to book that travel te, you know what I mean? To treat yourself better than anyone else. So wag mong iasa te yung happiness mo, yung feeling good te sa ibang tao. No te, it's your responsibility. Nakilang position na ako te here sa ano na to. Parang ang bangag-bangag ko na te, tingnan dito. Mga tao pa here sa surrounding ko. But anyways, I'm just gonna mind my own business and have some sip. Maybe ang last tip na mabibigay ko sa'yo te, is to really be kind with yourself. You know what, self-love is not linear te. Even me in my case, nagkakaroon din ako ng bad days. Sa self-pity rin ako te, ginajudge ko rin sarili ko. like especially if nababurn out ako, especially if hindi ako nakakapag-post, I feel like nasa sluggish era talaga ako, te. But that's when the real self-love talaga, te, is nagre-reflect sa buhay mo. When you still understand yourself na it's really okay to sometimes take a rest, it's really okay to sometimes feel bad sa sarili mo na hindi ka ganun ka-consistent, na hindi ka ganun ka-productive, or na-feel insecure ka din, te. As what I've said, this first tip, self-love is about accepting your ups and downs, flaws, and good characteristics that you have. Kumbaga, te, you need to fully accept yourself as who you are. May flaws ka man, may scars ka man, may acne ka naman. Actually, I do not really believe that we really need to accept ourselves as a whole. Marami din ako mga bagay-bagay na binago. The way I look, the way I speak, the way I act. Because you need to see this identity of yours, then it's something na affected din kung saan ka pinanganak, where you are born, kung sino yung mga taon-taon nakasurround sa'yo. It's the version na parang pinagtagpi-tagpi based on the society's or your environment's standards. So that's why it's really okay to change something with yourself, because you are building this more ideal or best version of yourself. It's like an alter ego, te, that you are customizing this new identity of yours. Actually, it really takes time to build that character. Even me, te, sometimes nagsislip out din ako. This new character of me, te, for me, my best version, te, is Ace Alexander. That's not my real name, te, but I need to build that identity because I don't want my old self, yung insecure, yung parang walang confidence sa sarili niya, to be my identity forever, te. So it's really okay to sometimes fake it till you make it. So again, te, those are the, more on internal. Go. Yun siguro yung mga tips more internally, not externally, but sa next video, let's talk about how we can improve our physical looks or something externally naman. Like building new habits, like reading books. As of the moment in this video, let's more focus internally muna. Kasi yun din talaga yung nagmamatter before we focus on our outternal shell. But yate, I hope you learn. And for today, I'm just gonna enjoy muna this vacation kasi this is so good. Although I'm alone, but this is fucking self-love. This is what I'm talking about. This is self-love. This is minding your own business. This is doing your shit without the influence of other people and just enjoying life with your own energy. But yate, see you sa next vlog, and yeah, keep glowing and take care as always. Bye. Love you guys.